I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever started a workout plan? Sure you have. You worked out for a few days and then you stopped completely for a few days. You're not the only one who has done this. Most people don't struggle to start exercising. They struggle to stop after a few days. The modern lifestyle can make it difficult to make the necessary changes to adopt new lifestyles and good habits. But if you change your negative behaviors and focus on the positive aspects, you can make exercise a very interesting habit, which can go a long way in changing your behavior and living a healthy life. Now tell me, do you want to make exercise your favorite daily habit? If you want, you should watch this video until the end. Today, I will tell you 4 steps that can completely change your life. Let's get started. Step 1. Change the way you think about exercise. Most people exercise to lose weight or to look good, but those goals can take more than weeks or months to show results. That's why you need to change your mindset first. Think of exercise as a way to feel better, not just to look better. Exercise to relieve stress, exercise to boost your mood, and exercise to energize your body. Because here's some amazing science. When you move your body, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like the neurotransmitters dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that help you feel happy and motivated. That means the more you move, the better your body feels, and the better you feel, the more you want to move. That's how good habits are born. Step 2. Make exercise a mandatory appointment. Is your day too busy? You may feel like you don't have time to exercise because of all the meetings, office work, family chores, etc. But I have a solution, and that is to make a workout schedule for yourself, just like the important tasks I mentioned earlier. Every weekend, take a few minutes to plan your week. Choose the times and places you will exercise and write them down in your schedule. Save it, like any other important appointment. If you have plans in advance and someone asks for your time, you can say that you are busy at that time. And remember that those plans will be for you, for your health, your energy, and your future. When you treat exercise as your real appointment, you are more likely to stick to it. Step 3. Set exercise as a learning-oriented goal. There are 2 primary goals here, an outcome-oriented goal and a learning-oriented goal. Outcome-oriented goals are like completing a task and then leaving. They focus on the end result. Similarly, learning-oriented goals are like learning how to exercise properly. They focus on the process or steps needed to achieve the result. So you set exercise as a learning-oriented goal. Focusing on the process of learning a new exercise technique or pattern can help your brain release more dopamine, which is released in response to positive learning experiences, helping your brain associate exercise with pleasure. Step 4. Make a workout buddy. If you make an exercise buddy, you will know how consistent and motivated you are in your fitness journey. If you are exercising alone, you may feel lazy. You may be ready to give up, but having a buddy with you will create positive pressure to stick to your plan. If you feel tired or lazy at times, a buddy can encourage you. Similarly, you can encourage your buddy, which will help you overcome mental and physical obstacles. If you make an exercise buddy, it can be a lot of fun. You can compete with each other in a friendly way. You can also train each other safely, which can make your workout more exciting. So, now you know the 4 steps that can turn exercise into your favorite daily habit. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Every small step you take brings you closer to a healthier, stronger, and happier version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that inspires you to live your best life.